Hello, welcome to HDFocus. So today I'm going to show a factory tour to show our product in the factory, how it's produced and how to do the A/B testing. So you see here we have many products doing the A/B testing here. So for example, this one is the 55-inch with built-in camera, okay? So this is the small size, 55. But we have some big size. For example, this one is the 75-inch, okay? This one we built-in touch function. For example, I can write HDFocus. So this is very smooth, okay, very good touch. Okay, this is 75-inch. This one we have small size. For example, this is the 65-inch. This size not so big, but we'll see the corner. You see here the corner. This is the silver green, or the left right side is the black corner. But for the corner, we can customize directly if you want to apply. So far, this we also have some other sizes. For example, you can see we have many products here. But for this product, we are the factory, so that's why we keep restock for many models. For example, this model is like 86-inch. Okay, so it's many product looking for the A/B testing. So this product is not all here, but we have many products all with A/B testing. Please follow me. Okay, so you see here. This product this is a 65-inch. You say this size not so big, okay? But for this one, it's also the touch function. This product is already doing A/B testing. For all products, we need to doing the testing at least 48 hours, okay? You can see here, this product here, doing A/B testing. Okay, so that's all for today. So like if you're interested in the interactive board, please contact us because we are professional factory for this product. So that's all for today. Thank you.